Hello members, I'm speaking to you today after the general election results that came through last night and this morning to say that I have written to the Prime Minister this morning to congratulate him on a decisive victory which will hopefully end a lot of the uncertainty we've been witnessing in the parliamentary process. I've also stressed to the Prime Minister that his first job is to start negotiating a comprehensive new trade deal with the EU now that we are leaving the EU as of the end of January. And that trade deal must include frictionless trade, regulatory alignment, access to skills, and enough space for the manufacturing sector to get used to the new trading conditions. And we stand by ready to help him in that task of getting the right deal for manufacturers in this country. Manufacturing exports are one of the powerhouses of the UK economy, as we can demonstrate through all of the data that we produce for governments on a regular basis. As a result of that, it will be some time before industry feels able to be confident enough to turn the taps on investment, and in particular getting this new trade arrangement in place, or a clear idea of the way forward as quickly as possible will enable that investment then to flow. We hope the Prime Minister and his team gets down to work on the new comprehensive trade deal with the EU as quickly as possible, and bears in mind the fact that many of the new MPs that are now in place in the government that are representing those constituencies where we have a high concentration of manufacturers have these issues at the core of their agenda. So in the coming days and weeks, we'll be building our relationships with the new team in government, and as ever, we'll be not only representing the interests of you as manufacturers, but taking your views and your examples and using real evidence to support our case for growth in the manufacturing sector in this country.